Hi, Anupam. Thank you for
Hi.
joining. First of all, I know you must be having
Yeah.
your classes going on in the business.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very, very good morning to everybody. And thanks a lot, Sandeep, sir, for giving me this opportunity to address the team here. Guys,
So let me just talk about him. Anupam, just give me maybe half a minute. So
sure, sir.
everybody says that Harvard Business School is the school for younger candidates. Average age is 27, and so on and so forth. And above 30, top schools are not interested in you. Anupam made it after 20 years of work experience at the age of 40 plus to Harvard. Okay, so remember, there is no such thing that the school has a bias. ये दिमाग में हमारे होता है, ये किसी के दिमाग, these schools don't have a bias. You do the job well, you score well, you present your story well, you do well in the interview, the school is ready to take you at any age, any level. Anupam, all over to you now, please.
Thank you very much, Sandeep, sir. And you hit a very, very important point. See, my story, I have been a Sandeep, sir student for the last 2 years, right, across his various courses. And I always had this doubt, and I always used to pester him that, boss, I have got so much of experience across two big organizations like IBM and Cisco. Will the B schools be interested in taking me there? That passion to do an MBA was still there. And as Sandeep sir says, I always was passionate about joining the best school possible. Right. And he motivated me, he coached me that, boss, you do your basics right, get the GMAT, get the application process right, write your story well, they will take you. And believe me, I've gone through the entire process, and today I'm at Harvard because of all the guidance which he gave me. That is step one. Step two is see, Sandeep sir will always push you towards excellence, right? And believe me,
Six.
Guys, please. Yeah, please.
Sandeep sir will always push you towards excellence, right? And in his first sessions, when he starts his GMAT classes, he will speak about the difference between mediocrity and excellence. Guys, take that very, very seriously, right? He has a very, very scientific method of teaching, right? And you just follow his processes for GMAT, the score is there to be taken, right? 760, 770 will be there for you if you just follow the material and just follow what he tells in the classes. See, quite often we are biased that we have certain methods in our heads that ye chalta hai, we know this method will work, but no, just jettison that. There is a method which he will follow, just follow that. And believe me, guys, you'll be there. And all the life skills which is he teaching you, right? This no amount of, I come from an IIT Jamshedpur, which is also one of the Ivy big engineering colleges in India. The kind of knowledge we have gained with Sandeep sir over the last 2.5 years, right?
Anupam, 1 second. Let me mute and then you unmute and then talk. There are people who don't listen at all. They're creating this disturbance. Now, please unmute and talk. I'm sorry about this. Yeah.
No, it's fine, sir. So the excellence which he puts you, which he ingrains in you, that zeal to go for the best. Please don't take a thing that class mein serious hai sir, aisa bol rahe hain, nahi, aisa kuch nahi hai, nothing of that sort, right? You just have to ingrain that in every aspect of your life. And reading the things which he was talking about, reading ability, right, presenting yourself, sales skills, these are all basic skills. And believe me, when I've joined here in Harvard, right, I thought I have achieved something in life. But once you meet your cohort here, the classmates which you meet here, right, you will be dumbfounded by their pedigree. There's a CIA agent in my class, right? There is somebody who is an advisor to the King of Benin on economic affairs in my class. There's somebody who's heading the fiscal deficit for a bank in Brazil in my class. When these guys talk about finance, believe me, and Harvard is known for his case study methods, right? When these guys give their perspectives, you'll be dumbfounded. Believe me, these kind of lessons are not taught in books. The experiences in the class, and all this Sandeep sir prepared me. Believe me, because if I look back
I
at my
think
life last
you were the
year,
most active student in the Know the World course. If someone goes to the recording, they can hear your voice all the time. So,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. And, and I still ask Sandeep sir for those video lectures of Know the World right now after in the last 15 days, because I had to prepare for a case study. That is so relevant, because that knowledge over a period which he presents in those lectures will be relevant across spectrum, believe me. And when I say this experience because I have worked across two big organizations like IBM and Cisco, and presently I am studying in Harvard. It is still relevant, and I believe it will be relevant for me in the next 20-30 years as well. So that is the kind of impact, guys, sir will make in your life. Take this classes very, very extremely seriously if you want to change your life. And believe me, this changes. I was a student like you probably a 1 year back, right? I was attending the know the world sessions. I was attending the GMAT classes, right? And I used to pester him, sir, will I be making it? Will I be making it? And he always used to coach me that you will do it because you have been patient for so long and you always will strive for excellence. And guys, don't take shortcuts. That's one humble submission I'll try to make, right? Never, sir will never ever guide you to take shortcuts. If you don't understand a concept, understand lectures, please pester him, he'll explain that to you. But follow his process, follow the methods. You have a wonderful teacher with you, believe me. He's a life coach for me right now, and today whatever I have achieved is all because of the guidance which he has given me.
I think
So
we
these
can
are
also talk about the admissions process that you went through.
absolutely,
So
absolutely,
that will also help
absolutely.
people.
Yeah, guys. So once you give your GMAT, right, and there's a huge application process which comes after that. There's a colleague of Sandeep called Autry, right? He was there with me throughout my application process, right? There's a way to write the essays. See, a lot of times all these essays talk a lot about you. Quite often we don't know a lot of stuff about ourselves, and when we cannot articulate that in the words which the B school wants. Autry guided me through the entire process. It was 1.5 2 month process, right? There were multiple rounds of mock interviews, mock essays, which he guided me. And then finally, when the final draft was ready, we were really happy. And guys, believe me, Autry is really good at it. I take my word for it. Take my word for it. He's really good at it. So take once you give your GMAT, once you get your score, get in touch with him. He'll be able to guide you through that entire application process.
Great.
And guys,
Yeah, Anupam. Yes, please go on,
and,
please.
and know the world is really fascinating, guys. It's a free course. It's a free course that is offering to all the students. You will pay for going for these sessions across in the globe, believe me, and it will be multiple $1,000, not single rupees. Also, I'm telling you, the kind of knowledge, the kind of impact you get after, and you don't realize it when you're attending the sessions. Believe me, it is so overwhelming right now when you're attending those. But as time goes by, right, and when you start getting those lessons back in life, then you realize that, oh yeah, you had learned this somewhere. So it happened with me probably in 15 years. There was a case study discussion going in Harvard, and I remember sir had taught something similar to me in the class. That moment I wrote to sir, I need those lectures back, because next time when I'm going for my case study discussion, I would be armed with those with that knowledge back again. That is the kind of impact sir creates. And the thing is, you will be talking to other people as equals once you gather this knowledge. And I had a discussion with sir that I'm a sales professional, and I used to handle government sales, and I used to tell sir that it's very difficult for me to have conversations with IS officers and politicians on policy making, because I don't talk to them as equals. After the know the world session, I had a candid conversation with sir, and I clearly told him that, sir, now I have a conversation with them as equals, and I contribute to the discussions with them on government policy making on an equal footing. So that kind of difference it made to my life, and believe me, it will make a difference to your lives as well. Take it from me. The proof of the pudding is in eating it. So that's about it, Sandeep sir.
All right, Anupam, thanks so much for making time, and I'm really, really grateful. Let's keep in touch. I will not be able to entertain questions from people because we have a lot to cover, genuinely a lot to cover. So thank you very much, and all the very best with Harvard. And let's keep in touch. We, in fact, keep in touch, as in we keep talking pretty regularly. So
Sure,
let's
sir.
continue. All right,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Anupam.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.